Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome you guys. Welcome you all. How you are doing, everybody? I think we are live. So first of all, you tell me now. Do comment करके बोलिए is my audio videos clear to everybody? Do comment करके बोलिए. Very good afternoon to all of you. Right. Chalo. So great news from Unacademy. So you can start Unacademy scholarship test, which is at 5 p.m. So the student who are willing, so then you can attempt the test series now only immediately at 5 o'clock. So today the test is at 5 p.m. And we are starting a new batches. We are starting. You can have a look at now with the top educators team. Right, these are the Unacademy rankers from 2026 GATE. You can see now all these are the ECN electrical rankers only, and many more rankers are coming. Still more rankers we are counting. So these are the ESC 2025 rankers. So these are from all the branches: mechanical, civil, electrical branches, and you can find the top educators team. You can find Unacademy starters kit, which is available in all the stores, and Unacademy Una. This is the AI tool. There are 3 modes are there. It will be available: voice mode, and quiz mode, and smart summaries. So if we ask to prepare the quiz on probability, it will create the quiz on probability will create. And there is a chance to select the level also. I need so and so basic level, medium level, advanced level. So like that they will say create the quiz. And so thereafter you can check all your mistakes, and analysis also will be happen. It will analyze completely and will give where you are strong, which topics you are weak. Right, test series is available, and we do offer the 2 subscription. One is a plus subscription, the other one is a iconic. And plus subscription, the top educators classes and live doubts, evaluate test series, structured courses, PDF, live test, unlimited access. Iconic में here personal coach भी मिलेगा and physical notes भी आपको मिलेगा. And you can book your time slot according to your time convenience, and you will connect with your mentor. So let's start the serious preparation with the Unacademy to achieve your dream goals. Let's crack it. These are the 2025 rankers. Chalo, let's continue our discussion. Last, I think so. How many problems we have completed? Around 20 we have finished writing. So this is the 3rd lecture. Now 20 problems we have finished now. And let's continue the remaining problems today. So see the problem here they given. Let A and B be the events with P of A given, P of B given. So P of A union B also given. They ask him to find the conditional probability. Yes, tell me now here. P of A, which is given as what? Tell me now, 3/8. And P of B, which is given as what? Tell me now, 5/8. And P of A union B given. How much this value? That is 3/4 given, right? Now, so we know P of A union B. From this we can get the P of A intersection B we can get. And we'll get the P of A intersection B. Tell me now, what is the P of A intersection B now? P of A intersection B, which is equal to what? Tell me now. P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. So simplify it now here. We'll get P of A intersection B will come to be a P of A value how much? 3 by 8. P of B value 5 by 8. This is 3 by 4. And we can take LCM, tell me. So LCM, which is 8. So this is 3, 5 minus 6, which is equal to 8 minus 6, which is 2. 2 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 4. This is what? P of A intersection B. Now we need to get what? Tell me now. P of A by B we need now. P of A by B, which is given as what? P of A intersection B by P of B. So, which is equal to P of A intersection B, that is 1 by 4 by P of B, that is 5 by 8. So, we'll come it as 1 by 4 into what? Tell me now, 8 by 5. So, 4, this is 2. So, we'll come to be what? Tell me now, that is 2 by 5. Got it? Next one. A die is rolled. If the number appears is a odd, what is the probability? It is a prime number. So prime number ka probability they ask him to find. Right. So when the die is rolled and the number it should be a odd number. Can you tell me the sample space for odd numbers? 1 and so there's 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it only now. Here, what are the prime numbers? We have a 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. So this event is an event to have a prime number, that is what I mean of 3 comma 5. So what is the probability of to get the prime number? Tell me now. That is 2 by 3. So the option B. Right. Next. A box contains 10 screws, 3 of which are defective. Okay. 2 screws are drawn at random with a replacement. The probability that none of the 2 screw is defective. Totally, how many screws are there? 10 screws are there. Isme 3 are defective. So here that means 3 are defective. 3 defective means how many good are there? 7 are good, non-defective. Now, what they're saying now here, we need to pick 2 screws, we need to pick one after other, that is with replacement. So first time I have taken 1 screw, I have taken, it should be a good I need to get. So this probability is what terminal good now here, 7 by 10. Now they given this as a with replacement, replace here with a replacement. So that is what you tell me now again. 7. So that is 7 by 10. So that is what I'll get, tell me now, 49 by 100. So of course they given in terms of percentage now, that is 49%. Next, the probability that a number selected at random between 100 and 999, both inclusive, okay, will not contain the digit 7. 7 should not present. That number should not contain 7. That number 7 should not be present. Yeah, tell me what we can handle it now here. So how we can handle it, you tell me now here. That number 7 should not present now. For that, what I can do here, tell me. For this, what I can do here. So we are selecting the what number? First of all, 3-digit number. 3-digit number. We have to pick now here. Okay. Yeah, first of all, how many numbers are there in between 100 to 999 here? So I think so 900 numbers are there now. Yes, both are inclusive. So if we have any query, something, we have any doubt, you can use a TN formula we use. What is the TN formula? That is A plus N minus 1 into D. So this last number is what I'll mean now 999. So initial number is 100 and plus N minus 1 into D value, how much now? 1. So it will come to be a what I'll mean now 999 minus 100 and which will be equal to N minus 1. So this means N which will be equal to 899 plus 1 which will be equal to how many? 900 numbers are there. Okay. Now you can see this thing here. How many ways we can able to fill these numbers we need to see here. So it should not contain 7 should not present here. This number, how many ways I can fill it now here you see. So 3-digit number we need to pick first thing. 3-digit number के लिए tell me now here. So we should select the numbers from 0 to 9. We need to select the 0 to 9. So here, but 7 should not present. 7 should not present. That means 0 to 6 and 8. So we need to pick the numbers. First number must be what tell me now here. First number should not be 0. It should be from where now here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 should not present, 8, 9. This number se fill karna. So that is what is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From these 8 numbers, any one number we can pick it now here. So that means what we can say now, this is how many ways we can do it now here? 8 factorial ways we can do it. How many ways we can do? Tell me now. 8 factorial ways. Okay. Next, what else we can do here? Tell me now. This is 8 factorial, and next number can be 0 also. That should be what we can say here. 9 factorial ways we can select it. And the next number, which is also how many ways you tell me now? 9 factorial. So this thing you understood or not? Tell me everybody. This thing you understood. A number that should be selected should not be what tell me now here? Should not contain the number 9 should not present. Okay. So that's what we did. So that's why 1. How many ways we can do it now? Tell me now here. 8 into 9 into 9. So that means what element of 9? So, no factorial, no? So this 3. How many ways we can do it now? First number we should pick from 8 only. Next number 9. And next number is 9. Okay. So this means what is the probability? Tell me now here. This is 8 into 9 into 9 by. So total numbers is 900 now. Tell me. From this 9C1. Yeah, tell me how much will come. Simplify करके बोलिए what's the option will come. Answer will come here 100. How much? How much the answer? Now 4 2s. 425. So it will come to be what tell you now 18 by 25. Right. Next. From a pack of regular playing cards, 2 cards are drawn at random. What is the probability? What is the probability that both the cards will be kings? Both are kings only. If not replacement. How many kings are there? 4 kings are there. So from this, from 4 kings, we need to pick 1 king now. That is what I can say now. How many? Okay, so 2 kings. So 4C2 by 52C2. Okay, so that means what element of 4 into 3 by, so that is 52 into 51. So how much this value will come? Tell me. 4 ones, 3s now. So 3 cancellation, 3 ones, 3 7. So 13 into 17. So 221. So it will come to be a 1 by 221. Option B. Next one. A bag contains 10 blue marbles, 20 black marbles, and 30 red. A marble is drawn from the bag, its color is recorded, and it is put back in the bag. That means with a replacement. This process is repeated 3 times. The probability that no 2 of the marbles have the same color. Okay. So they given this a bag contain what element of 10 blue and 20 black. 20 black and 30 red. Yeah, so what I am doing now here first. Let us consider this probability. First, I have drawn 1 marble. Let us say that is a blue I have taken. The probability of getting a blue marble now here, so which will be equal 10 by, it is a 60. That means I got the blue I got. Now this I have seen and placed again. Placed again. Okay. Now one more I have taken now here. Second time I should not get a blue now here. That means I need to get a black or red say we should get now here. That means 50 are there. Now it is 50 by 30. Sorry, 60. Understood this one? First time. First time we got the black, first time blue, second time black. Next, let us say first time I got the black I got. Black probability 20 by 60 and place it now here. Replace now here. I should get a blue or red say हमने we should get now. That is what I'll now 40 by 60 plus. Next we are getting it as what I'll now 30 by 60 and will be equal to what a 30 by 60. Okay. This is the probability. Now, so this value P which will be equal to now simplify it now here. So 0 zeros cancel now. So how much will come here? This is 5 plus 8 plus 9 by 36. Okay. 5 plus 8 plus 9 by 36. And so this value 24 by 36 now. Option not matching, check it. I think no option. First we have taken कोई गलत किया क्या चेक करके बोलिए. Now see what happens now. Back under 10 blue, 20 black, 30 red. A marble is drawn from the bag. Its color is recorded. Okay. It is put back in the bag. Okay, first time let us say we got the blue we got. Let us say blue. What is the probability to get the blue you tell me now? So that will be given as 10 by 60. Okay, 60 only now? Yes, 10 by 60. We got the blue. Next time we should not get the blue now here. No two of the marbles have the same colors. I should get some other color I need to get now. Some other color means either black, yeah, red say we need to get. So that means what we can say now here 50. We have 50, that is 50 by 60. Okay. Next. If it is a black say hua to, so that means what I mean 20 by 60. Replace na 20 by 60. And what we have here, the remaining is 40. Correct only now, why we are not getting? Okay, so plus what we can say now here. Next, so this is what I'll do 30 by 60 into 30 by 60. Let me check once again. This is 5 plus 8 plus 9 by what I'll do 36. Then why it is not happening? No option is matching. Tell me. So this is which we are getting it as what I'll mean now 22 by 36. Check for cancellations. What will come? So what is saying is any meaning you did understand? Tell me that a bag contained 10 marble, 10 blue and 20 black, 30 red. A marble is drawn from the bag. One marble we have taken. Its color is noted. Okay, recorded and it is put back. The process repeated 3 times. The probability that no two of the marbles have same colors. No two of the marbles have same colors. Fine. So let me. Okay. So their meaning is different. Okay. So yeah, tell me now here. This probability. So that means they're saying this as a first. Let us say he got the blue. He got. Next he should get this as a black. Next, he will get this as a red. So this probability of getting blue, how much we can say this is 10 by 60. Repetition, black 20 by 60. Okay. Next 30 by 60. And this process repeated 3 times. Okay, this process repeated 3 times. Okay, so then it is how many ways we can arrange them? 3 factorial ways. So that is what, tell me now? That is 1 by 6 and this is 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 2 into 3 into 2. 6 will get cancelled, so this value will come to be a 1 by 6. Okay, so the meaning is this thing here. Okay, so we have understood differently. So probability का problem में, so understanding problem is very important. Once you understand problem properly, it will become very easy. Answer easy आएगा, but लेकिन problem समझना, that is a very good task. Next, 2 dice are thrown. How they are thrown simultaneously? The probability that the sum of numbers on both sum of the numbers must be exceed 8. That means more than 8 we need to have. That means sum must be exceed 8 means what, tell me now, should be sum is 9. So 10, 11 and 12 possibilities. And we know 12 possibility. How many ways we have? Tell me now, 1 way. And this is what you tell me now, 2 ways. And this is what you tell me now, 3. And this is what you tell me now here, 4 ways. So totally how many we can see now here? 10 na? 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10. So this is total probability what I can say now here, 10 by so 36. So that means how much we'll get now here? 10 by 36 is an answer. Next, the probability that there are 53 Sundays in a randomly chosen leap year. In leap year, 52 Sundays. I think a standard problem we have a 2 by 7. So 2 by 7, 2 days extra will left na in case of leap year. So we have 2 extra days are there na. 2 extra days. Those extra days, how it can be now here? Sunday या Monday, or Monday or Tuesday, या Tuesday or Wednesday, Wednesday or Thursday, yes, Thursday or Friday, yeah, Friday or Saturday, yes, Saturday or Sunday. So here 2 possibilities are there now, this and this. Totally how many are there? 7. 7 में 2 possibilities, that is 2 by 7. Next, A fair coin is tossed independently 4 times. The probability of the event, the number of times heads show up, is more than the number of tails show up. Fair coin is tossed how many times? 4 times it has been tossed. Heads are more than the tails. So that means how many possibilities now? Sample space are 2 power 4. Heads are more. Let us say this is the one possible combination all heads have taken. So this is how many ways we can place it now? One way. Next, heads are more. That means 3 heads I am taken and 1 tail. Heads are more than tail now. How many ways we can do arrangement now? 4 factorial by 3 factorial. So that means how many ways now? 4 ways we can do arrangements. So if I take 2 not possible, they are saying a more than, not more than or equal to. So that means how much the probability? Tell me now. That is 5 by fair coin is tossed. That is 2 power 4. So that means what I can say? 5 by 60. Okay. Next. If fair die is rolled 2 times, the probability that second toss result in a value that is higher than the first toss. Second time I need to get higher than the first one. Okay. So here, now first time I got the number 1. Number 1 if I got, the probability to get a 1 here when the die is rolled. What the probability to get the this thing? So we need to get for, so here the possible combinations are, if it is first one is 1, second is 2. If the first one if I got 2, second time I should get, sorry. So here first time if we got 1, second time possibilities 2, yes, I should get what element of here this combination. First time I got 1, second time 2 come, 3, 4, 5, 6 is I should get anything I need to get. Okay. So what the probability to get the first time 1 is, tell me now here, which is equal to 1 by 6 is the probability. And what the probability to get any of this thing is, that is 5 by 6. Now let us say first time if I got the 1 I got. First time 1 probability 1 by 6. The next time I should get what, tell me now here, 4 by 6. And first time I got 3 I got. That is 1 by 6. Next time here that is 3 by 6. Yeah, first time if I got 4, that is 1 by 6. Second time I should get 2 by 6. If first time is 1 by 6, next time is only one possibility 1 by 6. Understood? If the first time if I got 1, second time I need to get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. If the first time I got 2, I got now remaining case 3, 4, 5, 6 only. More than the first time task now. So this probability is what, tell me now here, 5 by, yes, 36 is a common in all the cases. So means what I can say, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 by, that is 36. 5 plus 4, 9. So 9 plus 6, 15. So that means how much this value, tell me now here, 15 by 36. So yeah, we finished the probability 2 now. Now probability 1 we have missed it now. So we'll do probability 1 DPP also. Tell me now here, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at least 2 heads. And what is the probability to get at least 2 heads? 2 heads, the probability is what, tell me, 2 heads. They given at least two. Now, at least two means three also possible. Yes, minimum two we have taken. Okay, this thing. How many ways we can do arrangement? You tell me now. So that is 3 factorial by 2 factorial, which is equal to 3. And next case, we'll do all three only we can do now. So how many ways we can do is 1. So total, how many you tell me now? 4. That is what I can say now, 4 by 2 cube 8. That is 1 by 2. Next, 2 cards are drawn successively with a replacement from a pack of 52 cards. The probability of drawing 2 A's. So here, what is the probability to get the 2 A's? With a replacement they are saying here. How many A's are there? 4. So first one is 4 by 52. And with a replacement, that is again 4 by 52. Okay. 4 by 52 and 4 by 52. Okay. So this will come to be what, tell me now here? 4. This is 13. Yes, this is 13. So this will come to be a what, tell me now? So 1 by 13 square. That is 169. Next. In a single throw of 2 dice, the probability of getting some. Okay, I think it is missing some more than 7. More than 7. Getting some more than 7. So more than 7 means what should be the here? 8. Some can be 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is also 12. So the 12 case, how many possibilities are? 1 possibilities. 11 case, 2 possibilities. 10 case, 3 possibilities. And this is 4 possibilities. And this is 5 possibilities. Totally, how many possibilities are there? You can see. Now 5 plus 4, 9. 9, 10, so 15. So that is what, tell me now? 15 by. Okay, that is what you will get now, 15 by. So 36. So how many now here? 3 5s, 3 1 2. So that means what are now? 5 by 12. Next, 2 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. The probability that both the cards are spade. How many spades are there? Something it is missing, I think so here in these options. Why they given denominator? Fourth one, no? Fourth one. 1 by 26. Okay, here the by missing here. 1 by 26, 4 by 26. Uh, 1 by 17. Okay, this thing. So 2 cards are drawn at random from pack of 52 cards. Probability that both the spade card. How many spades are there? You tell me now. 13 spades are there. How many spades are there? 13 spades are there. So that means what we can get now? 13 by 52. So that means what, tell me now? 1 by 4. Next, 2 dice are thrown together. 2 dice are thrown together. So they're asking the probability that the sum of the 2 numbers will be multiple of 4. Multiples of 4 means what tell me now? I need the sum. The sum I need now here 4 comma 8 or 12. This is the possible sum now. Yeah, you tell me now here. This will have how many possibilities? One possibility. This will have how many possibilities? So 8 के लिए how many now? 13 minus 8. So here 8 के लिए sum minus this thing na 13 minus 8 only na, remember. So it has a 5 combinations and this has a 3 combinations. Totally how many combinations you see this thing here? 9 combinations. So that means 9 combination, that is 9 by 36. So this means 1 by 4. Next one. If the odds in favor of an event will be 3:5, then the probability of non-happening of the event. So here odds favor is given as what tell me now 3 by 5. They ask him to find probability for happening or non-happening. Non-happening they ask him to find. So that's why this probability is what tell me now this is 5 by, that is 3 plus 5, which will be equal to what tell me now 5 by 8. Here the not happening. If it is happening means 3 by 8. Not happening now, that's why it is a 5 by 8. In a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls. Okay. If she plays probability that she did not hit a boundary, and what's the probability that the girl will hit a boundary here? Tell me now here. 6 times out for 30 balls. Okay. So that means what? Tell me now here. So the 3 2s, 3 10s. The probability of hitting a boundary is 0.2. But they are asking the probability of not hitting a boundary now. Not hitting a boundary. So that means what? Tell me now. Not hitting a boundary. Not hitting a boundary, and which is equal to 1 minus 0.2, which will be equal to 0.8. Not hitting a boundary. Next, if the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. We need to get 2 heads. We need to have now exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads probability. So 2 heads probability is what we can say. Tell me now. They are not asking the at least two heads we can take. Now head, and this is tail. So how many combinations we can do? 3 factorial by 2 factorial, which will be equal to 3. So that means what we can say now 3 by, so 8. 2 cube now 8. Exactly 2 heads we need to have. A coin is tossed successively 3 times. The probability of getting 1 head or 2 heads. Probability of getting 1 head or 2 heads. Okay, 1 head probability, 2 head probabilities. And probability of getting 1 head. That means remaining are tails. So how many ways we can do here? 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So this is 3 combinations. And 2 head case, how many combinations you can see? Right. So that is also 3 factorial by 2 factorial. That is also 3 only. Right. And what will be the probability? Tell me now here. Which will be equal to 6 by So how many times stars now here? 8 times. 2 cube now. So this value 3 by 4. Next, one card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that the drawn card is either red or king? So here probability. So what is the, if I call it as R is a P of R is probability of drawing a red card. How many red cards are there, you tell me? How many red cards are there? 26, 26. 26 red cards are there at 26 by 52. And what the probability of getting a king? How many kings are there? 4 kings are there. That is 4 by 52. How many red kings are there, you tell me? It's made 2 red kings are there. Heart and diamonds are reds. So that is 2 by 52. Now they asking to find the P of R union K. That is, what, tell me now? P of R plus P of K minus P of R intersection K, which will come to be a 26 by 52 plus 4 by 52 minus 2 by 52. So this will come to be a what element of 52. So 26 plus 4 minus 2. Then tell me how much will come R intersection K. So this is 28. 28 by 52. So it will come to be a 28 by 52. So check for cancellations. Which will come it as 2, 1, 4, so 2, 26. Okay. 2, 7, 2, 13. So which will come to be a what, tell me now? 7 by 30. Option C. Check it. So right. So we have completed assignment 1 and 2. We have finished it now. Right. All of you do like the session and share to all your friends. All of you do like the session and share to all your friends. And next class, we do the remaining, we can continue. Hmm? Fine. Done. Okay then. See you. Bye-bye.